Welcome to PH Garden. Let's try to take a quick look of these plants. Blushing bromeliads can be grown in any large container. Sadly, they only bloom once in their lifetime, but they still look great. They are noted for its center turning red when it's about to flower, from where the name is derived from. They are easy to grow and maintain. We need an offshoot with its own roots. Some offshoots will develop it early. This one, there's no roots on them. While this one over here, this particular plant, when you try to look up on its other side, we can see some roots separately growing. Okay, it's done. It should look like this. The roots are still intact. If we try to examine this, there's a small offshoot over here. And since no roots has grown yet, I'll leave it as is for now. Just try to place the plant in the center of the container. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.